unboxing of that item, you guys. We pay $700. That this is a smart heater. This is what the heater is looking like. The remotes that I here. Hi guys, good afternoon. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. My name is Mikey and it's a pleasure to have you here today. So real quick guys, I want to do an unboxing of that item you guys see there in the box. It is a Sunkos electric heater. It was sent to me by Sunkos themselves, so it's a pleasure for me to be doing this review today. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna unbox the product, and after unboxing the product, I'm gonna be doing a review, and I will also be dropping a link in the description where you guys can go ahead and purchase this item on their Amazon site. I am so excited to be doing this review because it came at the perfect timing. Like, to be honest with you guys, myself and my family, we've been discussing ways to help improve our heating system in the house this year because it is super expensive. There was a time we paid about $700. Like, it happens like every fall or every winter we pay $700 on gas and electric bill, and it is expensive, guys. It is expensive. Like, I am not kidding you. Like, we get to pay between $700 to $500 on electric bill. I know during the holiday period I have more lights on because you guys know I do the Christmas decor. We have the lights on outside, but it still doesn't matter. But I mean, nobody likes cold. Talking about me that comes from a place where it is hot 365 days a year, you know, and then we need that heat. Although I'm getting used to the cold in Indiana, but at the same time guys, let's go ahead and just unbox this product. Hopefully it can solve our problem. Okay, so you guys should stay tuned and let's do this unboxing. Alright guys, so here's an overview of what the box looks like. This is a Sunkos Sunshine electric heater. You're gonna see that written on the box. So if you do order this heater, this is how your box is gonna come in. And how does the sunshine on the top of the box come about? The heater gives you an experience of the sunlight heating. Mind you, Sunkos is the world's first electric heater to use far infrared heating on a large area, providing users with a new heating experience. And also, this heater is a no light, no wind, no sound heater, which you guys will see on the side here. You guys may be wondering what this is. Actually, this heater can be connected to Alexa or to the Smart Life app on your phone, which goes on to tell you that this is a smart heater. It also uses voice control, it is eco-friendly, and also it has the child lock. So I mean, you don't want your kids to play with the heater, put a cloth over it, which is not allowed. You can go ahead and control this heater from the app on your phone or with Alexa, which I did that with my own phone. I downloaded the Smart Life app, and you guys can see. Also here, these are the accessories, which is the leg of the phone. And also, you guys saw that the cord itself was wrapped in a box to avoid damage. So when you order your heater, we're gonna avoid stories of damage. So this is actually what the legs look like. We're gonna go ahead and take this out of the box. Yes, it is built for the heater. So we'll put that to the side real quick, guys. While I give you guys more information, this is actually the remote that came with it. I didn't get to use the remote because I didn't have the battery at home, and I am one who doesn't open a package until I am ready to do the unboxing, just because I want you guys to see everything and experience it with me. You guys can see that it is well packaged on the sides. Now this is to avoid damage while shipping, which I think is a brilliant idea from Sunkos. Also, Sunkos has safe care The front net and back cloth are made of aramid fiber used in aviation, which can prevent scalding and better protect the elderly and the children. You guys know that this period, a lot of us are going to be needing humidifiers. So for this one, well, it's as it says, it helps prevent against scalding and better protect children and adults, especially for those of us that have allergies. So this is what the heater is looking like after the unboxing. You guys can see it has a nice handle, beautiful color. I love the aesthetics that it is given as well. And here is the back of the heater. So real quick, we're just gonna go ahead and put this in the position that I want it to have in my living room. Oh, one thing about this heater as well, while we fix the legs, is that this heater can also help you to avoid skin dehydration, so your skin stays hydrated and comfortable while you're using the heater. It doesn't give you that extra heat that you feel. So guys, you guys can see it has do's and it has don'ts. All the do's and the don'ts, they are written down here. For some people that have curious kids like mine, you guys can see here it says not to put it plugged without it having the stand, so it always has to have the stand plugged. And then also it says overload, so do not, make sure when you're plugging it you're not overloading your electric circuit, because I know that already. This is a heater, the lights are going to turn off. And then it says do not cover the heater with any cloth. And also it says do not operate the heater without your feet properly installed, without the feet being properly installed, and do not place it on the wall. So I love this about the heater. So we're gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna take it to the living room, and we're gonna be test running it out from the living room, obviously. Okay. The heater has fast heating speed. It only takes 3 seconds to reach the specified temperature. Also, you can switch between modes P3, P2, and P1. So you guys can see the heater is properly packed. Everything was thought out before putting it in the box. Here is the remote that I never did get to use, and that's because I did not have the battery at home. But as at the time I make this video, I'd already purchased the battery and the remote is working fine, which I really do not need because I do have the app on my phone and I can control the heater because it is a smart heater. This heater offers direct heating for your body. It helps to maintain your skin hydration level. Your skin is also pampered and moisturized. It helps you breathe easy, no wind, no dust, as we're avoiding allergies. It creates clean, dust-free environment, free from bacteria and allergens. Zero glare, silent comfort, no annoying noise. Oh my gosh. Here you guys can see this is the manual setting. Look, that noise from other heaters, I know what it means, guys. Zero glare, silent comfort, no annoying fan-based noise either. Just a sense of atmosphere where you can focus on your task and enjoy uninterrupted peace and sleep with the Sunkos Sunshine electric heater. It's gentle, sunny warmth. Redefine your heating experience with innovative far-infrared technology. Take the sunshine home. Experience the sunshine while you're at home, guys. Alright guys, go ahead and check the link in the description to purchase this heater off of Amazon.
We are glad to have received this heater for a review. I'm gonna let you guys know in a later video concerning the wattage it consumes, between 1500 highest to I think 1050 wattage, and you guys know we're trying to save electric bill. But okay guys, you have seen it for yourself. Click the link in the description. Okay,
Mommy! Don't off it. It keeps us warm.
Really?
Because the one upstairs make noise.
It's a silent heater and it's eco-friendly too. Well, you guys have seen it. He stopped me from turning off the heater. I actually wanted to turn it off and let's move on with life since I'm done with the review. But Izzy was like, no, mommy, do not off it. Do not off it. It keeps us warm. And I'm like, why? He said it doesn't even make noise like the one upstairs. Because obviously we do have a heater upstairs and that makes noise. But this, you don't even know this is on. And it's warming up the house. Don't forget to hit the link in the description to Sunkos sunshine heaters on Amazon. I have dropped everything you guys will be needing in the description down below. So I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for staying tuned with me today, and I hope you're convinced to go purchase the Sunkos sunshine electronic heaters. Alright guys, bye and have a good day. Aww. Oh, we did the review together. They are so sweet. Alright guys, see you guys in my next video.